Hello everyone, I am here Neelam Dhingra and this is my second vlog, and my motto to interact with my beginners, intermediate level, and make your English journey easy. So here I am with second day of my vlog, and as per my commitment, I told that I will bring a picture, live picture in front of you so that you can make sentences, frame sentences with the picture easily, and it will be more convenient to learn English instead of reading the books. And when you feel that the picture is in front of you, definitely you try to speak at your own word. So here I am in front of a temple. I will show the picture of temple, and this is Delhi, and I am from Jagriti Enclave, and my motto, again I am saying that my motto to make your English easy. So here I am in front of temple. See the temple. See the temple. You can see here. You can see here easily. The temple is Jagriti Enclave, and here I am in front of temple, and then this in Jagriti Enclave. And one more thing I will say, that it is a Siddh Shakti Peeth of Katyayani Mata, the temple of Katyayani temple, Maya. And second thing, it is not a travel blog. It is not a travel blog. So that I will say again and again that it is an English blog. So here my motto to bring you in front of your picture so that you can convey your own opinion, own feelings in by description this temple. Now see, here is the temple, and first of all I will show you the gate of the temple. This is the entrance, and it is the metal of gold. The entrance is golden plated. See the golden plated entrance, very beautifully designed. Art and craft is nice. See how you will describe. See, there is a pillar of the temple, and you will see inside there is a deity's idol, and here is the tree of the people tree, and so many wishes they tied here. People tied so many wishes, so that they tied some dupatta and chunni, red chunni, so that they can pray for their wishes, for their demand in front of God. Okay, and here is the entrance. See, it is a Katyayani Shakti Peeth Mandir. See, and you can see, if you are feeling not any problem, then here is a sculpture of the lion. The sculpture of the lion. See, here is a sculpture of the lion, and it's a grand image, that symbol of that it is Ma Durga temple. See, you can see easily. And here is the entrance, and see, how can you describe it? See, here is a people tree, and people tied so many wishes here. So, and how will you describe now? Now see, is a lion sculpture, and made of golden metal. And the door of the temple is also metal of gold. Okay? It is only metal, gold. And inside there is so many idols we can see easily, and that the people are lighting bonfire, enjoying. Some people is lighting, they enjoying their. They enjoying their winter season, sitting around with their bonfire, and they're sitting around. They're enjoying the winter season and feeling warm. And here is a sculpture of the lion and the entrance of the gold metal. And you can see here the people are going inside in the temple. They're just praying and bow heads front of their east. And this is the Adi Shakti Peeth Mandir. It is since 20-30 years ago. See, here is a tape for the washing hands and rinsing mouth. And people is going inside. Maybe they will not allowed to go inside me because I am making videos, so that it is not possible. But if I allowed to go inside, definitely one day I will show the picture of inside picture. And you can see here the summit of the mandir, so high. You can see here bonfire. Here you can see, and they are gossiping, they are enjoying in the front of the mandir, beside the mandir, and maybe they are the worker. They do usually work inside, maybe we can say, and they are just now this time the end of the day going to, that's why they are sitting together. They have completed the work and they enjoying sitting around. Some more are on the chair, and some are sitting just like on the floor. And see how they are gossiping now. Big pillar which just fortified the beauty of the temple. These big pillars are amplified its majesty, its grand. And see, you can see easily. And here is the tap. So first, when anybody want to take the entrance, they can wash. They have to wash their, see the tap. For what purpose? To wash their hands, rinse their mouth, so that they can worship in fresh way. So you can see the summit also. Summit, do you know which is summit? Summit means shikhar. We can describe the summit so many ways. See, we can say zenith also. There are so many synonyms of zenith. See, this you can't see here. I will show you the zenith of the temple. See. Now, this is the zenith, summit of the temple, Shikhar. You can say here so many words I have used. It is now you can also describe in your way. Okay, and I will use majestic, grand, sculpture, zenith, summit, golden earth, art and craft, and pillar. And here are so many words I have used. So you can take this word in your vocabulary and make your own sentences, frame your own sentences by this live picture. So you can go ahead, because it is very easy way to explain your feeling in English. When you speak in English like this, with the live picture, definitely you will find improvement in your English. So here I am. From the outside I bow down in front of my God, my Ishta. So now I am winding up this vlog, and just I want to say one thing here is, see here is that tree of plant of banana tree, you know. See, it is an ancient mandir. That's why I have giving a live picture from you, because live picture I am showing you. So because the people here comes usually far and wide, and I am nearby, so my house is not so far, so that's why it's not difficult for me. But usually in the Navaratras you can't find here to keep a step, you can't take a step. So it is so much cloudy, bristling banana tree. Usually people worship banana tree. It is the traditional, because in the Hindus, if you are Hindu, definitely you know about what is the banana tree. So what is the importance of the banana tree? Because it is the worship plant. So now I'm going to wind up my vlog. I think it is helpful to you, but if you practice daily with me, like with the live picture, definitely you feel easy. Day by day you will improve. Here I am used so many words also, and you can take this word from your picture, this picture, and try to frame sentences as earlier I have said you to. That's why. And now I'm just interacting you, and just simple, I'm using just simple language, basic language, so that for the basic beginners, they don't feel any difficulty while listening this my vlog, and they can try to take some words they can use and observe how I am using. I am just explaining the temple, and now I am on the road. I am just heading to my house and wind up this my video, this my vlog, and I will bring a new picture tomorrow and I will show you, and I hope you will like this vlog. And now I'm just winding up now this vlog, and I hope you will like it, but because it is easy for the beginner, I have used very simple words but very effective also, so you can use these words in your English and try to explain any object which is around to you in your way, so you can feel easy to explain their own way. So use this trick and make your English easy with Neelam Dhingra. Okay.